the boundary waters of Minnesota to the 14,000-foot peaks of Colorado, from longleaf pine savannas in Alabama to southeast Alaska's misty rainforests, America's national forests and grasslands span 193 million acres of mountains and prairie from coast to coast. Millions of us pursue adventure, fun, and solace amidst the National Forest System's spectrum of wild places each year. But these are much more than great places to play. National forests supply 66 million Americans with their drinking water. Hundreds of communities rely on local forests to sustain their economic well-being. An array of wildlife, birds, and fish depend on these public lands. And trees and plants clean our air and absorb carbon emissions. Our national forest system truly is a wealth of ecological values and natural wonders. More than a century ago, conservation-minded citizens set aside these lands as a gift to future generations. But this gift carries with it a responsibility to act as stewards and pass on the legacy we have been so privileged to receive. Formed under Congressional Charter in 1991, the National Forest Foundation is dedicated to perpetuating vibrant national forests and grasslands. Working with partners, we leverage science, funding, technical expertise, and local enthusiasm to accomplish much more than one group can do on its own. But the challenges to the future of our wild places and natural resources have reached a scale that is overtaking our ability to keep pace. Wildfire, invasive weeds and insects, climate change. Many factors threaten the resources we need and the wild places we cherish, leaving millions of acres in need of restoration. In response to the tremendous conservation need, the National Forest Foundation launched a national campaign called Treasured Landscapes, Unforgettable Experiences. The foundation is working to restore the vitality of damaged forests and spark a stronger connection between Americans and their public lands. Our site-based work is nurturing collaboration and community participation while rebuilding ecosystem health and resilience. This work is taking place on keystone sites, carefully selected for conservation need and values. Outside of Chicago, we're revitalizing one of the last remnants of native tallgrass prairie. Across a severely burned area of Colorado, we're planting vegetation and combating erosion to protect Denver's water supply. In southeast Alaska, we are restoring part of the largest temperate rainforest, as well as streams for native Pacific salmon. With this restoration campaign, the foundation is reaching across the map to make a difference. Our national history and identity, our quality of life, and our future all are wrapped up in this amazing collection of natural gems we call the National Forest System. Join us on the trail to perpetuating our great legacy of national forests and grasslands. The heart and soul of America's treasured landscapes and unforgettable experiences.